Ha 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 ha. Yes, I'd finally made the VHS opening to Star Wars A New Hope from 1899, real not fake.
Warren, did I hear you say that you made another fake VHS opening?
Yes, I did.
Let me see.
2 minutes later.
Oh. Warren Cook, how dare you make another fake VHS opening? Star Wars didn't exist until 1977 and also, TV didn't exist back in 1899. That's it. You're grounded for life. Go to your room now.
Fuck you, Dad. You're an idiot like everyone else. You and everybody keep getting mad at me for making fake VHS openings.
That's so it. Get out of my house now.
Hey, Warren buddy. What are you doing here? Horrible. My dad kicked me out of his house. Can I stay with you? Sure, buddy. This is my room. You can stay here for a week. Gee. Thanks, bud. 1 week later.
Man, I'm so happy Warren has been gone for a week. I'm going to dine out by myself.
Thanks for taking me out, Warren's dead.
No problem, Luke. This is way better than being with Warren. He's such a motherfucker.
Well, I'm home. But my dad isn't home yet. So I should make grounded videos out of Pentagon 36. Ha 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 ha.
Oh. Pentagon 36. How dare you for not helping me make breakfast? That's it. You're grounded for life. Go to your room right now.
Ha 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 ha. That was hilarious.
That's it, Warren Cook. I'm sick and tired of you making grounded videos of me. That's it. I'm calling your dad.
No. Please don't.
Oh my fucking gosh. How dare you make grounded videos out of another user and escape for a week? That's it. You're grounded for 197 days. Go to your room now.
But Dad, you said to get out of my house for a week.
I don't give a fuck. Now go.
This is the worst day of my life. Wow 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 wow